All right, so we have this miniature piece of powder here. We are actually going to glaze that with some Ritual Glazes. I had picked up one of the last batches of the Confetti glaze that they had on their website earlier this year, and they sent along some of this white beading glaze as well. So we're gonna put both of these on this miniature piece. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the rainbow, and I think we will do rainbow up to about there, and then the bump glaze on the top there. So I am gonna brush this glaze on. A previous one I actually had dipped it, and it got really thick on me. And this is greenware, this isn't bisque yet. I don't wanna have to try and wipe off the bottom because that will actually smooth out the clay itself. So we're gonna do on the bottom. Definitely is a thicker glaze, and all those tiny little specks will add color to the piece. All right, so we got the confetti color done. Now we're gonna switch up to the other glaze for the top here. Again, this stuff needs a nice thorough mixing, because you can take something and scrape the bottom of it too. This requires 4 brush-on coats. So we're just gonna go ahead and brush on 4 coats. Now I have never used this glaze before. I will be firing it to cone 6. And this is a white clay, so it should look pretty cool with the white bumps on there as they bead up on the white clay. This is our second coat here. You can see it dries out really quickly. I'm really interested to see if it does just big bumps on here, if it does like a bunch of small bumps. Alrighty, so now we got our glaze on there. We're gonna go throw this in the kiln, fire it to cone 6, and we will show you what the results are. So we just pulled these out of the kiln. Here you can see the 2 different glazes here. We have the confetti on the bottom along with the white bead on the top. The white bead actually crawls and gives you that crazy texture on there. So that is what it looks like right out of the kiln, and you can decide if you want to use this in your next project. Thanks.